Hi there everyone, this is Krishna Patel and you're watching me at My Little Heart. Now as the world is celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi, where there's a lot of joy, colors, dancing, dhol everywhere around the country and I think around the world right now. But in midst of this, there are people, there are children who don't know how it feels to belong to a celebration, who have never been a part of one. There are children, there are people who don't know, who have never tasted the kind of sweets that fill our houses during these festivals. And today at My Little Heart, this is one special thing that we want to do for these people is that we'll be giving them sweets. We have brought them here to a pandal in the city of Baroda where they will be performing Aarti, something that they would have never, I'm sure, dreamt of, being a part of. Oftentimes, it is these children, these people that come from not so privileged backgrounds that are not like people that live on the streets. They are not even allowed inside Ganpati pandals, and this is one harsh reality of this country. However, today My Little Heart wants to break the stereotype and we're welcoming everybody. We're welcoming children and people from across the city to come here, perform Aarti at this pandal. And obviously our volunteers here have been very kind and they have been very welcoming as well. So today is going to be a very special day, but also let me mention one thing very particularly, that today is not just about giving them food or giving them sweets or giving them clothes as we've bought. But today is also about giving them a moment, an experience that they'll cherish for the rest of their lives, an experience of how it feels to become a part of the society that they can only dream of. Today is going to be the day where they can forget the harshness of their reality. Ladies and gentlemen, this Ganesh Chaturthi, let's also pray for these children so that they can have a better future, just the way you and I. People who don't celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi like us, we could give them that experience. And for that, we want to equally thank the Bajwara Krishna Yuvak Mandal, all of these gentlemen that are standing with me. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you so much for teaming up with My Little Heart. And also there's something which I would want to mention is that it is the same people from the same mandal that we're standing today with, who have helped us a lot, who volunteered with My Little Heart during the times of flood which happened in Baroda, and they were super helpful to us. They in a very volunteering high spirit, they came to us and they said that, even we want to be a part of this. So thank you so much, gentlemen. I would also like to express my gratitude to everybody out there that is sending us donations. It means a lot to us and specifically to the people to whom this help is reaching. To you, it might just be a little part of what you're earning, but to them, it is something that is changing their lives. Thank you so much, and keep being a part of this initiative that we're doing at My Little Heart. And thank you so much once again. This is Krishna Patel.